Welcome to our channel, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the exhilarating world of weighted hula hoops. Get ready to experience a workout like no other as we unveil the absolute best options available in the market. These mesmerizing hoops combine fitness and fun, allowing you to engage your core muscles while enjoying a playful activity. With a multitude of choices out there, it can be overwhelming to find the perfect one for you. But fear not, as we've done the legwork to bring you a curated selection that caters to various preferences and fitness levels. From adjustable hoops to smart features and travel-friendly designs, we've got you covered. So, get ready to spin, twist, and sweat your way to a fitter, healthier you with the top-notch weighted hula hoops we're about to reveal. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Swiss Activa Plus Weighted Hula Hoop. The Swiss Activa Plus Weighted Hula Hoop with Counter is an excellent exercise equipment option for everyone. The innovative design of this hula hoop ensures that it stays standing thanks to the rotational energy, so there's no need to worry about it falling down, which is why this option comes in at the top of our list. Not only will you be having fun, but you'll be getting a great workout, too. The massage heads stimulate blood circulation and enhance the experience, while a digital counter measures revolutions, calories burned, and time. This hula hoop makes a wonderful gift. Whether you are looking for a birthday gift, Christmas gift, or just something for yourself, the Smart Infinity Hoop is sure to put a smile on their face. With 30 minutes of home workout being equivalent to 30 minutes of jogging or swimming, this is one of the best weight loss products available. Number 2. Bribon Weighted Hula Hoop. The Bribon Weighted Hula Hoop is a great fitness option for those looking to get in shape while staying comfortable. This 2-in-1 product has 24 detachable knots and an adjustable auto-spinning ball that can be customized to meet any fitness need. It also features a 360-degree shock-absorbing massage ring that helps ensure users remain comfortable while exercising. The hoop itself is made from hard ABS plastic, which is durable and resistant to aging, so it will stand the test of time. Its detachable design allows for ease of storage when not in use. One of the great features of the Bribon Weighted Hula Hoop is its adjustable exercise intensity. You can customize the length of the rope to adjust your workout routine, allowing you to target different muscles as you choose. It's easy to learn how to properly use the hoop even if you are a beginner or a kid because it never falls during use. This compact fitness product is suitable for almost all adults and kids, with a maximum diameter of 43.3 inches. Plus, it's designed with comfort in mind, allowing you to exercise without getting uncomfortable or experiencing fatigue. In fact, this hoop can help you burn up to 800 calories in just 30 minutes per day for 5 days. Number 3. The Spinster's Beginner Hoop. The Spinster's Beginner Hoop is the perfect way to lose weight and get in shape in the comfort of your own home. This weighted hula hoop provides maximum toning and core strengthening while burning calories and assisting in weight loss. This premium fitness tool is durable and long-lasting, able to withstand any tough workout session you choose to put it through. This quality hula hoop is suitable for all sizes, plus-size hula hoops give you better support and increased results. It is also available in a range of colors: sky blue, burgundy, black, purple, and pink. Number 4. Better Sense Hula Hoop for Adults. The Better Sense Hula Hoop for Adults is an innovative and fun way to stay active and healthy. Weighing in at 2 pounds, this weighted hula hoop provides an effective and entertaining way to burn up to 403 calories in just 1 hour. This hula hoop kit not only includes the hoop itself but also a jump rope and resistance band for a complete and comprehensive workout anywhere. The hoop is designed with premium-grade PP material and soft high-density foam padding, which makes it both sturdier and more comfortable to use. This foam-padded hula hoop is also adjustable, allowing you to assemble it into 3 different sizes by adding or removing 1 or 2 sections. Button marks have been added for easy assembly and disassembly. The hoop fits well around your waist while exercising and provides an effective massage pressure on your waist to strengthen your muscles. Number 5. Sports Hoop Weighted Hula Hoop. This next one's a little interesting. In many aspects, this weighted hula hoop by Sports Hoop is very similar to the previous one, with an adjustable and easy-to-assemble design that can cater to people of varying weight sizes. What makes this hoop different, however, is the fact that it's got colorful hoop links that result in a rainbow-like effect when used. Easily attachable/detachable into 8 smaller pieces. Great for storage and easy to carry around. For teenagers and adults weighing between 100 pounds and 160 pounds, easy way to both have fun and adopt a healthy lifestyle. Weighs 3.1 pounds and measures 41 inches wide. The colors make for a very interesting visual display when spun around the waist fast enough. The hoop contains no ridges, so it will not cause any unnecessary discomfort or pain to the user when spun around the waist.